Hello, do you want to change the search engine on Microsoft Edge from Bing to Google? I want that because the Google search engine is familiar to everyone and gives you better search results. On the Microsoft Edge web browser you set up as above to change the default search engine. At the top right, click three dot and then click Settings. On the left, click Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll to the bottom and click Address Bar and Search. Here you change from Bing to Google. You have now completed setting up Google as the default search engine of Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.